What's up, brother? Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna go through with you the top 3 mistakes. Let's start. The mistake number 1. If you want to sell closest land around your house, you need to make sure that you not to sell it on the eBay account to make some extra money that you are building your brand on. For example, if you have imported Bluetooth headsets from China, you need to change your eBay name to Bluetooth company if you want to build a company around it. So any product that you see lying around your house, you can't sell it in the same eBay account. You need to make sure that you sell it on a separate eBay account because it's going to look messy. And me, when I'm trying to buy something, I click on the seller shop to see if they have got a pair of used leaf items in their store and to see what other items they have got. And of course, if they have got a pair of used leaf items in their store, I'm not going to buy from them. I buy from someone else. I hope you understand exactly what I mean. I rather buy from someone that only sells that one product that I'm looking to get. The products that you are looking to build a business around and having separate eBay accounts for the used stuff lying around your house. So let's move on. Mistake number 2, do not rush. You need to be patient. A lot of people, they don't realize that they are gonna need patience when they try to build their business on eBay. eBay is not something that you just jump right into and straight away you get money. eBay is something that you are going to need to keep investing your money in instantly. You are gonna be making money in terms of importing products and then making sales and selling, and after that you get money and then investing back in. It's going to take some time to build that up. So that's the mistake number 1. You need to be patient. And I see a lot of people thinking about within a week or 2 weeks they will make money. They think that they can start away. You are definitely gonna make money on eBay if you follow the right steps, but you are going to need to invest that money back into it and keep growing your inventory pace. So when it comes to building a business on eBay, this is something that a lot of people need to be aware of. eBay is something that you can continually keep building, and when it comes to building a business on eBay, you need to put and keep putting your time and effort in, and then you'll be able to take a salary from, and then you are going to be able to now employ people once you start taking the salary from yourself, and then help you out in terms of growing, finding products and just make more money. So you need to understand that anything worth building, and don't think eBay is a get rich quick. No, this will not happen. Everything takes time to build, so make sure your mindset is correct. When it comes to building your business on eBay, you need to have this in your mind. Let's move on to mistake number 3. You need to make sure that you do the right research on the product before you proceed and before to sell. A lot of people, they don't choose the right product to begin with. They don't check the eBay purchase history to make sure the product is selling every single day. A lot of people don't choose the right product to start with. You need to research on topic for the product that you want to start with. So you have to make sure that you double check topic. You are able to get a deeper insight into the analytics of the product. On topic, you are able to double check the analytics that you are looking to sell. You need to double check the sales through rate, and you need to make sure about the sales through a minimum of 40%, and you need to double check the sales through months on months. It might 60% today, and in the next month it may have been 30%. You need to make sure about that, about sales through. So I always recommend people to try and find a product that has a minimum sales through rate of at least 40%. I spend my time looking for products that have a minimum sales through of 60-70%. If you can go higher, it's better for you. So pick the right product to begin with, and always look at the analytics of that product and understand exactly what you are looking, and understand exactly what you are going to need to look at. Let's move on to mistake number, the feedback score video. They don't build up their feedback score to 100, and that's the first mistake I see a lot of people making. You need to ask around yourself, and that's the easiest way that you can get an eBay account with a minimum of 100 feedback score to a minimum of 100. The feedback that you get as a seller counts towards the same feedback that you will get as a buyer. Don't use an eBay account that you have used from years ago. Keep that in your mind. Make sure you build your feedback score to 100, and that's the first thing I always recommend people to do. Start a new eBay account and build it up to 100. This could be done buying cheap items. Go for around $5. There is a lot of sellers selling cheap items on eBay right now. Buy the amount that you need to get to 100. So what is the first mistake that a lot of people fall in? They don't get to a minimum of 100 when they start their business on eBay. Before you start selling, I recommend a minimum of 100, and you are going to be in a better position to start selling if you can get to a minimum of 500, because every customer that comes to your store intentionally looks at your feedback score. And what happened if you got a low feedback score? It makes it look like you are a muter. So make sure you build your feedback to a minimum of 100. Try build up your feedback score if you can go a bit higher than that. And remember, this feedback, the feedback that you get as a buyer points towards the same feedback that you get as a seller. So that's it for step number 1, product that you are looking to sell. So before you start selling, you need to make sure about all these things to have a better chance of success. So the third mistake I see a lot of people making is that they don't do things right. They don't blend their store correctly. You need to make sure that your store is built well. So to convert a non-paying customer into a paying customer, that's the end. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a good like and make a comment below. Stay safe. Let's move on to mistake number. You need to brand your store correctly. That I see a lot of people making is that they don't brand their store correctly. So make sure to edit a good logo, custom template. Make sure the store is branded around the product that you are looking to sell. Make sure that you have got a well branded store. Make sure the company name is similar to the product that you are looking to sell. So before you start selling, you need to make sure about all these things to have a better chance of success. So the third mistake I see a lot of people making is that they don't do things right. They don't blend their store correctly. You need to make sure that your store is built well. So to convert a non-paying customer into a paying customer, that's the end. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a good like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.